Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic shithead, a Chanel collector, a Chanel king, a Chanel hey. Today we're going to be doing a what fits in my bag with my mini square Chanel bag that I've been using religiously and am so in love with, and what fits, and also I might do a little and then I might also do a little size comparison to the rectangular one. So, if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay. Alright, so this is the Chanel mini flap. This is the Chanel mini flap that I got in Paris in November. It is lambskin, black lambskin with gold hardware, and it's got this little cocoa detail and a CC. It's a little different than the regular mini flap, but it is a mini flap in the square. It's spacious, but it's not that spacious. I mean, it is a mini bag. Like, for comparison, it's like literally, it's the same size as this, but it's like half of the width. Don't fall over, don't fall over, don't fall over, don't fall over. Oh, somebody fell over. Very difficult having this set up all the time. So like, see, compared to this Lindy, same size, but like half the width, right? So this is actually quite a spacious bag, which we can talk about in another video. Right, Lindy? Okay, Lindy, you're getting a little too complicated, girl. Okay, just can you sit? You're gonna make it work. Make it work. Make it work. Okay, so first of all, love this bag. I've been wearing her all the time. Okay, so pros, just put it on and go. Easy, small, cute, recognizable, easy to carry, goes with everything. Gold hardware is clutch. It's black clutch. You can also kind of carry it like that, and you can wear it like that. I mean, I guess you could wear it like kind of like I do with the other bags. You can like literally wear it like a little wristlet, kind of like wear it like that kind of look. But I don't really do that. Maybe I should. Anyway, love her. Okay, so easy to open, one flap inside, and then just space, and one little flap pocket inside and one zipper pocket inside. So there's two little compartments. So cell phone, so what fits? Your cell phone fits, but it's like, this is a 12 Pro Max with the case. It like just basically fits, right? But it does. I'm gonna take the case off just cause like, makes it a little less snug. It's very snug with the case, so. Phone fits. Oh, right. So other pros, it's so beautiful. It's so soft and delicate. It just feels luxurious. It makes me feel luxurious. It makes me feel so good wearing it. It makes me happy. Material things make me happy. This makes me happy. It just makes me so happy. So if it makes me happy, that's all that matters. Cons, it's lambskin, so it's delicate. I'm always really nervous about using it. I'm always nervous about it scratching, especially in here, which it's already got some scratches, if you can see. Kind of like, it came with some already, but like it's easily scratched inside. So that's a little bit of a con. But yeah, so that's that. Other con, it's very small. Also, it's only crossbody, so you can't wear it shoulder. You can't, I mean, I guess you could tuck the whole thing in and wear it like a little that. I don't know if that's a con, but okay. So what fits? Your phone fits, get your wallet in there, chapstick, because that just represents lipstick and everything else in the world. Some other random thing. Charger, always need a charger. You can get it in, but that pretty much fits it. You don't want to pack it too tight because then it's like not going to close and you're also going to scratch the top. So let's see. I would maybe put something in this little thing. So let's put you in the little pocket. Maybe you just put a couple of cards in this little pocket here, because that's probably what it's for anyway. Like very little things. What are those little things? What little things do people carry with them, right? Like, I don't know. I mean, look, it's very much like a essentials. Only your essentials. It also has this back pocket, but like, I don't know what you would put back here. I guess you could put a card back here too. Let's just try to put in a card back. Yeah, you can put a card back here. 2 cards back here. Okay. 2 cards, no card holder, and then phone and some very essentials, car keys and whatever. That's pretty much what fits in this bag, which is great because it's like cute and small and just like your essentials, and it's like very much just like on the go. Mini bag. It's a mini bag. That's what it's for. It's a mini bag. So I don't know how I'm coming off or sounding right now, so I'm sorry in advance if I seem weird or feel weird. Okay, so that's pretty much the gist of this. That's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button if you like to share it with your friends and family. You hate it, share it with your enemies, exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. Appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much. Bye.